Ciclopirox shampoo is used to treat a certain scalp condition known as seborrheic dermatitis. It works as an antifungal drug that stops the growth of fungus on the scalp. This medication is typically used once a day for 4 weeks to effectively treat the condition. It is best to use the shampoo at the same time each day to ensure the best results. When using Ciclopirox shampoo, it's important to remember that this medication is only for use on the hair and scalp. First, make sure to wet your hair and scalp with water. Then, apply about 1 teaspoonful, 5 milliliters, of the product to wet hair and massage it over your entire scalp until it forms a lather. If you have long hair, you may need to use 2 teaspoonfuls, 10 milliliters, of the product. Leave the medication on the scalp and hair for 3 minutes, then rinse it off completely. Be careful to avoid getting this medication in your eyes, nose, mouth, or vaginal area. If you do accidentally get the medication into these areas, rinse with plenty of water. Typically, you should use this medication as directed by your doctor, usually 2 times a week with at least 3 days between each use. It's important to use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. You may want to mark the days on your calendar when you need to use the medication to help you remember. Even if your symptoms disappear after a few days, it's important to continue using this medication for the full amount of time prescribed. If your condition worsens or does not improve after 4 weeks, be sure to inform your doctor. If you experience burning, redness, or itching at the application site, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. People with light-colored hair may also experience changes in hair color, although this is rare. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, it's important to tell your doctor right away if you experience blistering, swelling, or oozing at the application site. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to Health Canada. Before using Ciclopirox shampoo, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your healthcare provider. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to let your doctors or dentist know about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, Ciclopirox shampoo should only be used when clearly needed. Be sure to discuss the potential risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult with your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown whether this medication passes into breast milk. When using Ciclopirox shampoo, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Before making any changes to your medication regimen, always seek approval from your doctor. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Ciclopirox shampoo. If someone accidentally swallows this medication, it can be harmful. If the person has serious symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Remember, this medication is prescribed specifically for your condition, so it should not be shared with others. Also, do not use it for a different skin condition unless your doctor tells you to do so. In that case, a different medication may be needed. If you forget to use the medication, use it as soon as you remember. Do not use extra medication to make up for the missed dose. Wait for at least 3 days before using the shampoo again. If you have any questions about the dosage, consult your doctor or pharmacist for a new schedule. It is important to store Ciclopirox shampoo at room temperature and keep it away from children and pets. Do not flush the shampoo down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When the shampoo is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. It is recommended to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.